Hi, it's me, Mom. I am on a layover in Fort Lauderdale, my second trip with my new airline, and I'm about to go on an adventure on a train. And why is the camera moving away from me? I don't know. It's weird. Weird. What is going on? Oh my God. Anyway, I'm about to take the Brightline, which is a train that runs, it's doing it again, from Miami to Fort Lauderdale and to West Palm Beach. This thing hates me. Anyway, I hope the filming of the train goes better than this little intro. Hi guys, so I am standing in front of the Brightline station here in Fort Lauderdale. I gotta take my glasses off so you guys can see me. Hi! And going on a little adventure. It turns out I was able to purchase a free ticket, there we go, round trip to Miami. So I'm gonna take a little couple-hour adventure on the train, on the Brightline to Miami. And I'd just like to take a few minutes to show you around. So here is the outside of this beautiful train station. And it is just lovely. There's the porte-cochere there where the lift, off into the distance, you can see the lift sign, is a partner here. Good old transportation. We love it. So here's the building, which is really neat. And I love the whole Brightline scheme. I mean, of course, I'm a little biased to yellow at this point, but I love the architecture of the building. And it's the whole thing is just very inviting and new and a really nice structure. And again, this is in the middle of downtown Fort Lauderdale. And it's just absolutely lovely. So let's go upstairs inside the train station and just take a peek at what makes this Brightline train so amazing, so talked about, and is the hit of Southern Florida. They're doing an expansion actually that's going to extend to Orlando, and I believe that's coming next year. So it's going to take about 40 minutes or so to get to Miami from here, and then I'll have an hour break, and then we'll just come back. And I'm going to sit on opposite sides of the train and show you some of the sights. So as we walk into the building, you'll hear music playing outside. There's a nice digital billboard there, and a lovely lobby here, and some maps on the wall of the three main hubs of the Brightline. There is Miami. You can see there. These are really big, by the way. They take up the whole wall, as well as the Fort Lauderdale area. And if we go a little closer, it basically shows you kind of where landmarks are. And there's a wonderful airport. And down in the bottom right there is Dania Beach. And that's where my company is putting their new headquarters. So that's fun. And there's a map of West Palm Beach, which is also another destination you can get to from here in Fort Lauderdale. So even the little bathroom symbols on the wall are in yellow. It's really bright and lovely. And look at this. All this bright color and use of light. Everything in the ceiling is pretty neat. And the natural sunlight is coming in too, because there's so many windows, right? So there's guest services. Hi. This is a gentleman that was helping me earlier with my app, and I got a free round trip ticket, so thank you for that. And so we're just going to go upstairs and show you the rest of the building. So here we go. And apparently you can buy food and snacks and things up here, I guess, up on the top floor. And I've got about 45 minutes to an hour left before my train actually departs. So this is really nice to get to explore. And look at the view. There's downtown Fort Lauderdale. And this is lovely. So apparently they have some sort of meeting room. It says meet at Brightline. And there is some buildings over here. So here is the track. And there's a roadway there. So That's where the departures happen and all that. And then there is... So, I got into a little trouble in the security because they said I couldn't film them. I don't get it. I mean, you just put your purse through a scanner. It's just kind of like the airport. But they don't want you filming that. So if you come to the Brightline, make sure you don't even look like you're scanning past the security. They did not like that. But anyway, I'm going to edit that part out. So, so here we are at the seating areas, if you will, or the waiting areas, I guess. There's like a little gift shop and stuff. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see this. Whoops, wrong way. I'm still getting used to this camera. Wrong way again. Oh my gosh. So anyway, here we are, and this is, we're gonna adjust it. After I get used to this, it's gonna be good. So there's a little like cafe here. They have some good stuffs. They've got coffees and champagne and whatever you like. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And a little gift shop. There we go. Some cheddar stuff, and then, yeah. These are evil. Anyway, funny that they would sell brownie brittle because we have those on the plane. Anyway, this is really nice, and just more of the view of downtown Fort Lauderdale there. Yeah, really nice. Some buildings being done there. Buildings. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a little snippet of Fort Lauderdale. Kind of all looks very similar. There's not a whole lot to see from here, but some sort of park down there. Looks like it's a empty space where buildings should be. And so here's the waiting area, which is really lovely. Really, really nice. Open air seating is lovely. Look, there's lamps there with a place to plug in your phone. And here's the board. So next departure is Miami. That's my train. 2:19 on time. Track 2. Fun. And so when they call you, apparently, you go down these escalators over here, right to your train, which is kind of fun. So, now I've gone away again. I am so getting used to this camera, you guys. Oh my gosh. Stop it. You're making me mad. Anyway, oh, there I am. Hi. So, I'm going to go just grab a coffee and a light snack before I get on the train. And I will see you guys on the train.
Information, as well as a list of onboard amenities. Snacks and beverages will be served and are available for purchase for guests in our smart coach and complimentary for those riding in Select. Thank you and enjoy the ride.
Well, that was a lovely safety announcement there. So, we're actually moving now. Good stuff. And of course, the sun is hitting my face. I'm going to try to move this way. You can see me a little bit. So, there's a view of the train. Yay! Oh, and it's so lovely and quiet. Hear that? Nothingness. I love that. I like quiet. Peace. We love that. But I wanted to show you the seats because they're really cute. They're really nice. Well, maybe this one's too bright. Let's try this one. See, it's edged with Brightline across there. It has gray kind of piping. Not gray, but yellow piping in the seat. Sorry. Yeah, it's really nice. And you know, we've got these kind of headresty things built in. It's